I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dr. Mario. Your primary objective is to clear the playing field of all viruses. Dr. Mario assists by dropping two colored vitamin capsules into the bottle. These viruses, appearing in red, yellow, and blue, remain stationary until you clear them. Understanding these core elements is the first step to becoming a skilled virus buster. As capsules fall, you can move them left or right and rotate them 90 degrees to align them. The key is to create lines of 4 or more matching colors, either horizontally or vertically. This includes both capsule halves and viruses. Once a match is made, those pieces will vanish, bringing you closer to clearing the level. Master these controls for precise placement. To truly excel, focus on advanced strategies. Clearing multiple viruses at once or initiating chain reactions will significantly boost your score. Always observe the next capsule Dr. Mario is holding to plan your upcoming moves effectively. Thoughtful placement of individual capsule halves can also create opportunities for powerful, multi-virus clears. These tactics are crucial for tackling higher difficulty levels. Victory in Dr. Mario is achieved by eliminating every virus from the bottle. However, if your capsules stack up to the very top, the game will end. You can customize your experience by selecting a starting virus level from 0 to 20 and adjusting the capsule falling speed to low, medium, or high. In multiplayer, 2 players race to clear their own bottles first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.